Hi friends, welcome to Geethika's Kitchen Cook with Ease. Today we are going to cook an easy and healthy one-pot recipe that is Methi Paneer Pulav. So let's go ahead. The ingredients we need are Basmati rice, onions, green chillies, paneer cubes, methi leaves, Pudina leaves, tomato, salt, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, Coriander or Dhaniya powder, Biryani leaf, Cloves, Sahjeera, cinnamon, Elachi, ginger garlic paste, few coriander leaves, ghee, oil, and water. Turn on the stove, place a pan, brush it with some oil. Once the pan is hot, I have taken about 200 grams of paneer cubes and we need to fry them. Keep turning the paneer cubes and fry them on all the sides. Once they have roasted, transfer them in a plate. I have also fried the second batch of paneer too. This is how they look. Take about half kg of basmati rice, pour water and rinse it well. Now again pour water and let the rice soak for about 15 minutes. Turn on the stove again, place a cooker, add about 3 tablespoons of oil and let it heat. Once the oil is hot, add the whole garam masala, that is 2 biryani leaves, 1 big piece of cinnamon, 5 to 6 cloves or lavang, half teaspoon of sahjeera, 3 elachis and mix it well. Now add 2 medium-sized sliced onions, 4 chopped green chillies and mix it well. Fry the onions till they are transparent. Now add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry till the raw smell goes off. Now we can add 1 tomato finely chopped and mix it well. Once the tomato is slightly cooked, add a handful of pudina leaves and give it a nice mix. This gives a very nice flavor to the rice. Now I have taken 2 bunches of methi. I have removed the leaves and washed them. Now add this and mix it well. Keep stirring it for about 1 to 2 minutes till it is cooked properly. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander or dhaniya powder, and mix it well. After 1 to 2 minutes, add the paneer pieces which we have fried and mix it well. Now the paneer pieces has mixed well with other ingredients. To this add 2.5 cups, that is 750 ml water, and mix it slowly. At this point you can check for the salt level. If required you can add a little, but it seems to be perfect for me. Now add the soaked basmati rice and mix it gently. Be very careful while mixing the rice, else it might break. Close the cooker and pressure cook for 2 whistles on medium flame. Turn off the stove. The pressure is released. Let us open the cooker. It looks delicious, right? Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee and slowly mix the pulao. This looks delicious, am I correct? Dish it out in a bowl and it's almost ready to serve. Garnish with few more coriander leaves and our tasty Methi Paneer Pulav is perfectly ready. Methi leaves helps to keep bones, skin and hair healthy. Paneer helps in building a strong immune system. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback. Hope you like the recipe. You can also watch other recipe videos. The links are given in the description box. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Geethika's Kitchen. Also click on the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.